Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. I'm going to switch up my videos for the week. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So first I'm going to be unwrapping this Born Pretty extension nail gel nonstick can in milky white. It's a 15 milliliter pot. Here are the ingredients listed below. And I'm going to give this an open. They've got that aluminum foil on the top. Annoying, but at least you know that this stuff is going to come out. If you've seen my previous PR unboxing from Born Pretty, I did get another color of this extension nail gel, and it's pretty thick, so even if the aluminum foil wasn't there, it wouldn't fall out. So this is also for sanitary purposes, in case anybody has this opened. You could rest assured, if you see that aluminum foil there sealed, no one has tampered with it. Again, a pain, but it's nice to have. So as you can see, this is the milky white. I'll leave all the product links in the description box below, as well as my affiliated web link and discount code IsmsByJBM. Please consider using that for your discount on these affordable products. It'll help me support my family and get more videos out to you. So this is a product that you can obviously roll in your hands, mold with your hands. It is a non-stick hand product. It's non-toxic, so there shouldn't be any issues. You do want to make sure that you wash your hands before and after, and I give it an extra nail cleanse so that there isn't any lint or residue on there. But we're going to move on to one of the bottles that I received from them. And I believe this might be the magnetic gel. And all these packages are very tightly sealed. The acetate is on there. You have to kind of pry it open with a scissor, a sharp scissor, to slip in between there. And then the boxing is pretty sturdy, so these bottles won't or shouldn't be breaking during shipment. But yes, so this is the this magnetic gel polish. It's CMG-01-55832-1 if you're considering this color. I think this is a very beautiful color. I'm into magentas. I don't like pink necessarily, but I'm automatic to magentas, and for some reason, like I said in my previous videos, you know, families of pink are just coming at me and smiling, and I'm really liking it. But look at this, you guys. It's very rich in this magenta, very metallic looking. But yeah, so I'm just gonna open this again. I want to show you guys what it looks like with the magnetic gel, the magnet over it. Wow. Yeah, so I'm gonna take my magnet, put it like this as so you can see it'll leave behind like a maroonish tint, but then you still have that strong magnetic magenta color. So that's going to be so fun to use. I'm going to be using that in the part 2 video, so look out for that. Click on that notification bell. So now I'm just going to open this package here. If it's not in a sealed box, it's going to be in this sealed baggie. The Ziploc on this is pretty tight, so there won't be any spillage. But on top of that, there's a vacuum sealed acetate around the bottle to ensure no leakage. I haven't had a shipping problem thus far of any leaking, but I've been pretty lucky. I think most of my shipments since I've started a YouTube channel, I've probably only had like one leakage from a nail cleanser, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, so we're just gonna take we're gonna open this bottle here, and then I'll share with you the information on here. But what we're looking at is the 7 milliliter reflective glitter gel, FBS04, and I think this color, yeah, so this color is super cute. It's a kind of like a faint pink, pastel pink. Look at all that reflective glitter. I love these reflective glitters. It's just super amazing, and it's trippy half the time when you get the light on it just right. So yeah, so moving on, we're gonna open up our last bottle here, and again, it's in great sealing packaging, so you don't need to worry about any spillage. So this is going to be the Jelly Nude. I'm actually into Jelly Nudes as well this year, so it's pinks and Jelly Nudes that are really tickling my fancy. But yeah, so this one is going to be the 7 milliliter Jelly Nude Gel in color BPJN03. So we're gonna take a look at this one, and it's going to be a soft pink. And I'm having these Valentine's Day ideas, so I am already picturing what I'm going to do with these to do the product demonstration for you guys. I'm going to do a part 2 and part 3 product demonstration. The part 3 is going to be this last but not least Born Pretty stamping plate. It's BPL002. I mostly have Born Pretty stamping plates. I've purchased my Born Pretty stamping plates back in 2017. So I'm so happy I received this, because look at all the little images. I have no idea what I'm gonna do to a set without wanting to use all of the images. So in the part 3, I'm going to be stamping all of them so that you have an idea of what it looks like. But yeah, so exciting. So there you have it, you guys. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again for part 2. I'll leave product links with my discount code in the description box below. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.